Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan. I work in a restaurant and I'm a huge fan of Asian food. Today, I want to share with you how to prepare a famous Sichuan style street food, Dan Noodles. The first part of making Dan noodles is to make the chili oil. Putting about a quarter cup of chili flakes and some salt in a heat resistant bowl, and then heat up about half cup of oil in a pan. After the oil is heated up, add a piece of cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, and the Sichuan peppercorn, and then cook over low heat until you can smell the aroma hitting your nose. I'll leave it there for about a minute, and you can really smell the aroma permeated the whole kitchen. And turn off the heat and pour the hot oil to the chili flakes through the wire mesh strainer. You can see the chili is sizzling. Pour through the strainer so that the strainer will catch all the spices that we do not want. Let the oil sizzle for a while, let it cool down, and the oil is ready. The next part is to prepare the Dan noodle sauce. So first, we put about 1 teaspoon of sesame paste into a mixing bowl. This is the sesame paste. Some stock or just water into the paste, and try to dilute it before you add in other ingredients because it is quite thick. If you do not have sesame paste, you can substitute it with peanut butter plus 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. After that, add some soy sauce, a teaspoon of black vinegar, salt, dash of white pepper, and lastly, add the chili oil that we have just made. You can filter the oil and remove the chili flakes, but I don't really mind the chili flakes, and it adds some colors and flavor. Alright, combine everything and you will get your lovely Dan noodles sauce. The next part is to get ready the minced meats. Pork is the most common meat for this recipe, but you can always substitute it with beef or chicken if you are not a pork eater. Cut the meat to small pieces and chop it finely. The pork should have some lean and fat together, and we season the pork with some sugar and some salt. Fry the minced meat in some vegetable oil. Separate the meat with the wok spatula to form many small pieces instead of lumps together. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes, and look at the pork. Now it shrinks a little bit, and you look at it, the oil is completely rendered and it becomes crisp and slightly brown. So now add the secret ingredients. That's the one. 碎米芽菜, 碎米芽菜, right. Alright, this is a specialty from Sichuan. Add to the pork. Mix together. And season with a little bit of Sichuan wine. The end point of this process is when you smell the aroma of the pork and the fat is fully rendered. Okay, done. Once you get everything ready, what is left is the final step. That is when the Dan street noodle vendors is preparing when they approached by the customer. That is to assemble the noodles. So place the noodles in boiling water and boil it until it is soft. And add a few of bok choy inside as well. Remove the bok choy first when it is ready. When the noodles are ready, remove it from the boiling water. Place the noodles in the bowl. Add some bok choy at the side. Add the Dan noodle sauce. The fried minced pork. Crushed peanuts, some scallion, and if you wish, some additional chili oil. So after all the hard work, it's time for you to enjoy. I hope the video is showing every step clearly. You can get the recipe and more information at tasteasianfood.com/Dan Noodles. And please leave your comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.